Namaste. Welcome to Morning Energy Vinyasa Flow. My name is Riya. To start off, simply sit down in Vajrasana on a mat. Interlace your fingers behind your back, open your chest, arching slightly backward. And as you exhale, drop your body forward, trying to touch your forehead to your mat. Stay here, slowly breathing in and gently breathing out. Observing your breath, how you're breathing in and how you're breathing out. And then gently extend your palms in front, come in your downward facing dog, lifting your buttocks up, activating your hands, rolling your shoulders out, pressing your palms firmly on the mat. Now gently step your left foot forward in between your palms. Drop your right knee down, raise your arms up and over your head, arch slightly backward. Stay here. And as you exhale, slide your hands in line with your shoulders sideways, looking towards your left. And then gently drop your left palm back on your left thigh, on your back thigh and arching slightly back. On your next exhalation, drop your hands forward. Come in your half splits, taking your hands backward, extending your left leg, point your left foot toes towards you. And then slowly drop your palms forward. And then raise your arms up. Keep your right heel off the mat and arch slightly backward, keeping your left leg active, left foot toes pointing or pressing on the mat. And gently extend your hands in line with your shoulders. Come in your warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Hands in line with the shoulders. Activate your hands, palms and your fingers. Keep on pressing the outer part of your right foot. And then slide your right hand on your right thigh. Bring your left hand closer to your left ear. Arching back. You can also keep your right palm or wrap your right palm around your left side of your trunk. And then slowly bend your body to the left. Again, reverse warrior. Arching back. And now gently drop your left palm on the inside of your left foot. Bring your right hand closer to your right ear. Extending your left hand, keep on pressing the outer part of your right foot. And now interlace your fingers from inside of your left thigh, coming in a bind. Stay here. Stay for as long as you want. To come out, softly drop your hands and come in your down dog. And then slowly move your body slightly forward, coming down in Chaturanga. Then upward facing dog, rolling your shoulders back. Look up towards the sky if you want, otherwise you can look front. Again, tuck your toes under, come in your downward facing dog, extending your spine, rolling your shoulders back, staying here. Now see if you could lift your left leg up and move your left knee forward, coming in your pigeon. Bring your left heel closer to your body and drop your elbows down. Keep your forehead on your folded forearms, or otherwise you can also extend your hands in the front. And now softly bend your right knee and keep your right foot in between your right elbow and take your left hand up. Try to interlace your fingers. Stay here for as long as you wish to arch slightly backward. Keep on arching back. Hold the position for as long as you wish to. You can pause the video. To come out, release the palms and take your frontal knee back. Come in your downward facing dog, extend the spine and then come in your child's pose, Balasana. Repeat the same yoga flow on the other side. I'll see you in the next class. Namaste.